Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best car vacuums. When deciding which type of car vacuum would be right for you, there are a few things to consider. Do you want it to be corded or cordless? Handheld, lightweight, with a suction level that will quickly clean away dust, debris and crumbs in your vehicle whilst not pulling or stretching at any of the fabrics. That's why we ranked these top car vacuums on a number of different factors, including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find a list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The car vacuum coming in at number 5 is the Bissell Aeroslim 29869 cordless vacuum. This slim handheld vacuum is very portable and powerful to tackle any unexpected mess and debris in your car, even if you are on the go, as it easily stores in the car. It is powered by using a USB charger, another reason why it's so convenient to use this 7.2 volt lithium ion battery operated vacuum. The Bissell Aeroslim 29869 includes a 2-in-1 cleaning tool, which is great for cleaning crevices and brushing away dust, plus these are stored conveniently on the vacuum storage stand. Number 4 on our list is the All AA255 wet and dry car vacuum. This has a 2 peak horsepower motor but is lightweight and portable with an onboard hose and accessory storage, including a blower for drying car grills and wheels. The deluxe car nozzle is specifically designed to fit into tight spaces, plus the detail brush is great for dashboard vents, etc. The All wet and dry car vacuum has a 2.5 gallon polypropylene tank and a foam wet filter, means it's multi-use, cleaning for cars, trucks and RVs. The car vacuum coming in at number 3 is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. This is designed to be a convenient pet mess cleaning handheld 14 volt lithium ion powered vacuum. It has a triple level filtration system which improves the cleaning performance, plus a large easy to empty dirt bin to get rid of that pet dirt and debris quickly. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Vacuum includes very useful specialised pet cleaning tools such as a motorised brush tool, upholstery tool and crevice tool. Number 2 is the BLACKDECKER Cordless Handheld Vacuum CHV1410L. This is a portable and lightweight versatile vacuum cleaner with a slim rotating nozzle that spins 180 degrees for cleaning in those tight corners of your car. It's ergonomically designed to be compact with its cyclonic action and lithium ion battery, which gives a strong suction and incredible control, plus a fast charging base means it's ready to use within 4 hours. The BLACKDECKER Cordless Handheld Vacuum has a translucent bagless dirt bowl, making it easy to see when it needs emptying, plus it and the filter are washable. Finally, coming in at number 1, the car vacuum that we recommend is the Thisworx Car Vacuum Cleaner. This cleaner will quickly and easily clean all messes from dust to fast food spillages in your car from bumper to bumper. Plus there are 3 attachments to use. The 16-foot cord means you can vacuum every square inch of your vehicle, and it simply plugs into your 12 volt outlet, which means it will never run out of battery. The Thisworx mini handheld car vacuum cleaner is designed to solve problems and powerfully clean with a strong cyclonic suction of 106 watt motor and washable filter. So that's it, the 5 car vacuums which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful car detailing tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.